Start this holiday lip tutorial by creating a holo effect, applying purple, magenta, green, and teal colors in different orders on the upper and lower lip. By the way, if you love lip makeup, definitely follow me. Apply the chunky iridescent glitter to make the colors shift even more and intensify the holo effect. Santa doesn't need to have another worry about Christmas this year, because this will be organized by Jack, the Pumpkin King. Let's paint his traditional costume here, the cat bow tie, and of course the striped suit. Let's not forget to add the shadings to create the 3D effect and more volume. For the same purpose, we're covering the lips with a gray lipstick, not white, and only adding white where we want the highlights to be. Would you prefer Christmas organized by Jack or a more traditional one? Why not make your lips look like Sally for your Halloween makeup or Christmas makeup? That's right, just the lips. Outline the patches of her dress and the blue skin with stitches, then just follow the pattern, meaning paint the patterns like they were in the movie. If you're enjoying the tutorial so far, the algorithm will show you more if you drop that little heart or leave a comment. Sally is here to make sure your holidays are safe. A mini version of the holiday lights and ornaments lip art tutorial. The full version is also on my channel, and the photo is part of the lip art ebook linked in the description. Paint the strings, pose the lights with shiny eyeshadow, paint the lights themselves with rainbow lipsticks, give them some flares, and start painting the baubles. Give them the shadow for the 3D effect, cover them with lighter eyeshadows, carve the lips with foundation, and find way more ideas on my page. Are you ready for the holo makeup time? Then outline your lips in red and green, make the line thicker, add glitter, add silver lipstick in the middle, glitter primer, and the holo flaky. See the full tutorial for this lip art on my YouTube channel and videos tab, and let me know if you would wear these lips for holidays.